Alright, today's video is going to be short and sweet. I've got 4 more posts made, and I'm going to tear down this section behind me, get those posts in plumbed up, and see how quickly we can get this section done so I can get to that end section that has the gate on it. The fence is tore down, the poles got put in and plumbed up, and I made all the laterals to the length after measuring everything from center to center on the posts, and I gave them about 1/8 of an inch on both ends for them for expansion and contraction. Don't know that it's going to happen, but I'm allowing for it. But let me show you how I plan on assembling this. Okay, the first 2 pieces I plan on putting in, not removing this post or this post. I'm going to slide it right through because I made this post a through, bottom or top and bottom. And on the end that it's going into, you better get out of there, Mr. B. It's a blind hole, same on this end. And then my plan is to come over and put in this section or these laterals into that post that already has these on this end, and then go over here and slide them into this. Now I've removed this post and I've put in a different type anchors, and I've notched out the corners so that I can get a wrench in and tighten them down. So before I pick it up and put it into place, again, through holes at the top, not here, and the blind hole on this side had to be at a different height to match up to this side because this is on a step. So my plan is to try to get all those into their slots and holes, and then I'm going to pick this pole up and put it into place with all the laterals in. I'll put it on time lapse, and we'll see how it works. All right, that went extremely well. So the next thing I'm going to do is go down and figure out which pickets I need and get those on, and then I'll come back probably the next day if it's not raining, and I'll fill those bottom sections with foam like we did in the other section, and then finish trimming those out and caulking those, and then this section will be done. All right, here is what is done so far. I think it was a good day's work. Got that upper section done, still have the caps to get put on the posts, and we need to get the bases completed, just like these down here. And then we can move on to the other end of the pool and get that gated section done. But I think this came out extremely well. And we'll take a shot from the other side here in just a second. But that's what she looks like. All right, here's a shot from the other side. And I'm going to take a quick clip of tomorrow after or whenever the bases get done. And I'm gonna finish this video off. All right, it's the next day and it did not rain, so I got those stanchion covers done and all the trim done around them. They came out very well. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you this first section completed. There it is, the first section is complete. If the weather holds up, I'm going to be headed down to the other end where the other gate is, and we'll see if we can't get that done before the snow flies. Thanks for watching.